Alright, so when we solve the system by combinations, we have to do a few things. First, we're going to look to see if when you add the two equations, if one variable will drop out. So that's our first step always. Alright, so we're going to look to see if when you add the two equations, one variable will drop out. So if when you add the two equations one variable drops out, you simply solve for the remaining variable and you'll be done, right? If not, then you have to go to 2. 2 says you multiply top and or bottom by a number so when you add them, a number drops out, a variable drops out. Alright, so our whole purpose is to get one of the variables to drop out. You might just be able to add them, or you might have to multiply them. Once the variable is dropped out, then you would go and solve for the given variable. And then plug it back in for the other variable. Alright, I'm going to write the example 1 down, and I want you to look at it and see if you think if you added the two together, if one of them would drop out. But don't say it out loud, just look at it. So you can write it down. So the first one is 5x plus 3y is equal to 17. And the second one is negative 5x plus 2y is equal to 3. So you're talking about that system right there. So the first one, it says to look at the system and determine will one of them drop out. So will one of them drop out?
Yes.
Yes. So since one of them will drop out, you simply add down. So this is going to drop out. So we're going to add down and we're going to get 5y is equal to 20. Right? Because you simply added them together. Divide by 5. Y is 4. Once you get y is 4, you have to figure out what x is by plugging them into the original equation. So I'm going to plug it into, it doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to do the top one. So I have 5x plus 3 times 4 is equal to 17. So I have 5x plus 12 is equal to 17. So we have 5x is equal to 5. Divide by 5. So x is 1. So my point is 1 comma 4. Alright. Example 2. We have 6x plus 2y is equal to a negative 16. Negative 12x minus 5y is equal to 31. If I were to add down, there's nothing would drop out. So, what could I multiply top or bottom by that one of them would drop out? Top by 2. Alright, everyone with me? So we're going to multiply the top by 2. So you multiply the whole thing. So I get 12x plus 4y is equal to your negative 32. Yep. Bringing this one over here. Adding them so that one drops out. I get negative y is equal to negative 1. Divide by negative 1. So y is 1. All I have to do is solve for x. Tell me how I can do that.
Plug y in.
Plug y in. So I want you guys, we will plug it in. So we have 6x plus 2 times 1 is negative 16. 6x is equal to, I'm subtracting 2, so it's negative 18. Divide by 6. X is negative 3. So our point is negative 3, 1. And that is lunch. End of notes and lunch.